Next we discuss exercise problems. Okay, exercise 6.1. First question. Okay, only here we discuss first three problems. One and so many such questions are there. 10 questions, then 2 and 3. Okay, so first one. What will be the unit digit of the squares of the following numbers? Okay, in previous module these type of problems are discussed. Okay, so what will be the unit digit of the squares of the following number? So what is it? First question is 81. So 81 square. So in units place, which number is coming? That is our question. So here unit place is 1. So what is its square numbers? That is 1. Okay. Then the next one 272. The unit digit of the square of the number 81 will be 1 because in unit place is 1. So its square is also containing the units place is 1. Clear? Then the next question is 272. Okay. So units place is 1. Units place. Okay. First one 81 square unit place is 1. Next one 272 square. So in unit place 2. So square that is 2 into 2. So in unit place which number? That is 4. Clear? Then the next one 799. Okay, 799. It's square. Taking square. So which number comes in units place? 9. Okay, 9 square. That is 81. So which number comes in units place? 1. Okay, then the next one is what? 3853. 3853. And they take their squares. Okay, so which number? In units place, the number is 3. So square means 3 square. So which number comes in units place? 9. Clear? This type of problem is first question. Then the next one is 52698. Okay, 52698 is a number taking squares. So in units place, here it is 8. So square means 64. 8 square. Okay, 64. So units place containing 4. That is, I in previous module already discussed the pairs. 1 and 9, the units place comes 1. Yes, 1 and 9. Units place come 1. 2 and 8. That is 2 2s are 4. 8 8 are 64. So units place is 4. Okay, so in previous module we have already discussed. Then one more question. 99880. What is it? 99880. 99880. So take their squares. So in units place the number is 0. So square means 0 square. What is it? 0. Units place is 0. This type of problem is first one. Second question. The following numbers are obviously not perfect squares. Give reasons. Okay, what is it? The following numbers are obviously, that means clearly it is not a perfect square. Give the reason. Okay, so first one 1057. 1057. Okay, second question. Second question. First one 1057. That means if a number ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, it may or may not be a perfect square. Okay, if it is comes in either these are number, we want to check that. But here it is 7. So we can clearly say that what? It is not a perfect square because the units place contained the number is 7. Clear? That is the reason. What is it? The number 1057 is not a perfect square. What is the reason? That is because it ends with 7 at its units place. Okay, because what? Whereas the square numbers only ends with, that is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Clear? So this is not a perfect square. That is the reason. Then the next one 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. What is it? 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. What is its units place? 3. Actually, either these are number coming, we can say that it is may or may not be a perfect square. It is 3. So So what is the reason? It is not a perfect square because this number ends 3 at its units place, where the square number ends 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. This is the same reason given all the 8 problems, because what? All the numbers here. Then the next one, third problem is 7928. Okay, 7928 means what? In units place 8. So again it is not a perfect square. Then the fourth question, 5 to 6 twos are there. Okay, 2,22,222. Again here the units place is 2. So we can clearly, obviously we can say that this number is not a perfect square. Then the next one, 64000. Is it a perfect square? What is the reason behind it? Because this contains only even number of 0. We have discussed second property. The square numbers ends with the even number of zeros. Here it is odd number of zeros. But here one more 0 is there. We can say that it is a perfect square. Yes, but here only 3 zeros, odd number of zeros. That's why it is not a perfect square. Clear? 6400. It is a perfect square because 2 zeros are there. So it is a perfect square. 640. 1 0 only. It is an odd number of 0. So it is not a perfect square. This is the same reason here. Odd number of zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros are there. Okay. The number containing 0. That means 60 into 60. So here we take only 0. But square means how many zeros are there? 4 zeros are there. That is the reason. Clear? Then the next one. 8, 9. That means 6th question. 89,722. Again, this number ends with the units place as 2. So we can say that it is not a perfect square. Clear? Then the last 7th question. Again, 3 number of 0. 2, 2, 2, 0, 0. Okay. 0, 0. Here, odd number of zeros are coming. That's why this is not a perfect square. Again, the last question. 50, 50, 50. Okay. 5 lakh. 50,050. Okay, that is 5,050. So what will you get? That is only 50, 50, 50. Here only one number of zeros. So it is not a perfect square. Clear? So this is the reason of second question. Third one, the square of which of the following number would be odd numbers? Okay, then the fourth properties, that is the square of an even numbers are always even. The square of an odd number are always odd. That is the reason. Clear? That means 1 square 1. 1 is odd. Its square is also an odd. Okay? Here 2 square. 2 is an even. 2 square is an even number. That is the reason. Clear? So first one, 431. 431 is an odd number. Okay. Odd number. How to check this number is an odd or even? Because in units place 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 like that, it is an odd number. 2, 4 multiples of 2 means it is an even number. Clear? So 431 is an odd number. So what is its square coming? That is units place again 1. So it is again an odd number. Clear? So what is the reason? That is the square of squares will be the square of an even number is always an even number. The square of an odd number are always an odd number. That is the reason of the type of question. Clear? Then the next one, 2,826. Here 6 ends in 6. So it's a multiples of 2. So it is an even number. Okay. So what about its square? That means in units place 6 6 are 36. So 6 is there. Again it is an even number. Clear? That is the reason. Okay. Next one. Exercise 6.2. Okay. So we discuss only in exercise 6.1 first 3 questions. Other question no need. Okay. Then the finding next we take on, that is finding the square of a number and the units place containing 5. So that type of question discussed in exercise 6.2. Okay, so exercise 6.2. What is exercise 6.2? First one, what is it? Find the square of the following numbers. Okay, what is it? find the square of the following number, 32. Okay. We take 30 plus 2. Take their squares. 32 square. That means 30 plus 2 whole square, which is the form of identity. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, here what is a? 30. B is 2. Then 30 a square. 30 square plus 2 into a means 30 into b means 2 plus 2 square. B square is 2 square. Okay. Then 30 square means what? 900 plus 2 into 30, 60. Yes. 60 into 2, 120. Plus 2 square is 4. Then add it. 900 plus 120 plus 4, 124. What will you get? 1024. Clear? Nearest to tens we take. That is 32, 30 plus 2. But 38, how to calculate? 40 minus 2. Don't take 30 plus 8. Okay? So, this is the way of solving this type of problems. Okay?